Welcome. In front of me is a SHARP Aquos C10, and today I'll show you how to transfer photos, videos, or any kind of other file from the internal storage to an SD card. So to get started, you want to pull up the menu and open up Files or Files Manager. I'm just going to use Files. Let's see how it works. I think actually File Manager might be a little bit better looking and easier to navigate. Let's see. So you have the two storages, your phone and SD card, and you can tap on either one of them. Now for me, let's actually have a photo to move. So I'm just gonna capture a random photo. There we go. And now I actually have something to move. So the photo will be, for me, most likely located on the phone. So I'm gonna go here, and photos, videos, stuff that are captured by the camera on the phone are located under DCIM folder right here. And then camera, you can see that this is the photo that I have taken. And videos as well should be here. Now, if you're trying to copy or move screenshots, they will be located under pictures. And downloads will have anything that you have downloaded through web browser or emails and stuff like that. So it's basically not categorized there. You can have files, images, apps, it doesn't really matter. It can be everything in here. So find whatever it is that you want to move. For me, it's going to be that picture. And all you need to do is just hold your finger and it gets selected like so. And you can actually add more by just tapping on them. So I would actually go back to where it's more. So you would hold to select one and then add more just by simply tapping on them. You can do that with any kind of file. It doesn't need to be a picture specifically. It can be even the folder itself. So you can see that I can select photo or go back and select the entire folder, assuming I would have entire folder of files that I want to move and I don't really feel like selecting all of them. So that would be a good alternative. Now once it's selected, you can tap on more right here and we should have somewhere move or copy, wherever that is. So I guess I only have the move option on here. So once you tap on move, so once selected, you have the close button, which I didn't want to press. Let's go back. There it is. So once you select it, you have the move option right here. So you tap on it, and from here you have the option to move it. By default, it takes you back to where you are, which is the phone storage. So you want to tap on drop down menu and select SD card, and from here you can move it directly location, or tap on plus to create a new folder. So you just create a new folder, go into it and tap on OK to move it, for instance, in here. And now if I open this, there is also the photo from that folder. And because it was moved, the file will be gone from the phone storage. So if I go here, you can see that now it's empty. So it's been moved. But yeah, that is basically how you would do this. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.